Hello to one and all. I, on behalf of Constitution Law Society, National Law University, Jodhpur, present to you all KYC, that is Know Your Constitution. I am pleased today to talk about the first Chief Minister of Rajasthan and a man who pushed for equal rights in our Constituent Assembly. That is Mr. Hiralal Shastri. He was born in 1989 in Jaipur, and after graduating from Maharaja's College, he joined the state service in 1921. However, from early childhood, he had a deep burning desire to dedicate his life for the downtrodden section of society. So in 1927, he resigned from his job and went on to work for the social welfare. In 1929, Sir founded a program called Jeevan Kutir in a village called Banasthali near Jaipur, where he trained a group of social workers to bring about a change in social and economic structure of that village. This work was started with the blessings of Gandhiji. It included a program called Vastra Valambam, where villagers spun their own cotton grown in their fields and wore clothes that they themselves made. In 1937, he involved himself in politics by reorganizing Jaipur Rajya Prasad Mandal. It was originally started in 1931. The Praja Mandal was a freedom movement that fought against the feudal and the colonialist policies of the British government, and it aimed to improve the social equality and educational standards of the country. He was also the representative of the Jaipur state in Constituent Assembly, and he had brought out some phenomenal changes, one of which is that despite of his disagreements with princely states, he believed that all the members of the Constituent Assembly, irrespective of caste and creed, must have equal rights to voice their views and concerns. During his time in politics, he also tried to promote Hindi language a lot. He never wrote a single note in English in all of his files. He fearlessly supported education for women. He has established the Rajasthan school in which students were given free food and accommodation. To fill the vacuum in his life caused due to death of his daughter, he founded a place called Banasthali, which was a women's school. Now the school has grown to become Vanasthali Vidyapeeth, and it is one of the largest women's educational institutions. He was also interested in poetry, and through his writings, he has brought out the issues of lack of unity and patriotism and rise of selfishness among the political parties of India. Towards the end of his life, he contributed most of his work to Vanasthali and tried to develop it. And this, my friends, was Hiralal Shastri, one of the hidden gems of our Constituent Assembly. Thank you so much for watching this video.